In this video, we're going to go through some of the trickier aspects of the arithmetic operators in Python. First, there's a difference between division with one slash and division with two slashes. With the first division, the result is always a float, that is, a number with a decimal point. Even though 3 evenly divides 9, and so the result has no fractional part, a point 0 is still shown to remind you that this is a float. If I were to compute the type of 9 over 3, I would get a float. On the other hand, integer division always returns an int. So the type of 9 over 3, which we know is equal to 3, has type int. Now let's explore what happens when the first number is not evenly divisible by the second number. Using a single slash here, we'll return a decimal number which is exactly 10 over 4, 2.5. Using two slashes gives us the result when we use integer division. And here the important thing to remember is that integer division always rounds down. So even though you would expect 2.5 to be rounded up to 3, the result of 10 slash slash 4 is 2, because the 2.5 is rounded down. Similarly, 10 divided by 3 is something like 3.333333333. And this gets rounded down to 3. And now let's talk about the complement of division, which is the modulus or remainder operator. And what this operator returns is the remainder when you take this number and divide it by this number. And let me just write that in words. It returns the remainder when you divide 10 by 3. And if you need a quick refresher about what the remainder means, remember that we can write 10 over 3 as 3 1/3. And so the remainder is 1.